I am in Alpnach, Switzerland at the base of Mount Pilatus, a colossal mountain that towers over Lake Lucerne. I'm going to head up to the top of Mount Pilatus on its famous cogwheel railway, so I'm waiting at the station for it to start up for the day. The Pilatusbahn was built in the late 1880s and began operation in 1889, so tourists have been using this railway to get up to the top of the mountain for over 130 years. It was a true engineering marvel, as this mountain cog railway has a maximum gradient of 48%, which is very steep. The average gradient throughout the 2.8 mile long track is 35%. It is an official historic mechanical engineering landmark. Here's my golden round trip ticket. It was designed so that its cogwheels couldn't get out of the track. The Pilatusbahn was originally steam powered, but it was electrified in 1937. So I am going to ride the Pilatus cogwheel railway all the way up to the top of the mountain. This is going to be awesome. They claim that this is the world's steepest cogwheel railway, which I believe. The Lookout Mountain Incline Railway on Lookout Mountain in Tennessee, which I do have a video on, claims to be the world's steepest incline railway, but I would bet this is the actual record holder. Alright, that was an incredible experience on the historic cog railway. Now we have ascended to the summit of Mount Pilatus. While Pilatus is not even among the tallest mountains in Switzerland, it is truly an incredible sight from ground level, as it towers over Lake Lucerne and the city of Lucerne. Pilatus is technically a mountain massif. It is a very wide and jagged mountain, and that is because it is a massif, which from my understanding means it's technically composed of several mountains in one, and so it has several peaks. The cog railway goes up to Pilatusbahn, which has a historic hotel and a visitor center complex. There's even an Alphorn player up here. That is so awesome. Now this mountain may have been named after Pontius Pilate, because there is a legend that he is somehow buried up here, which is highly unlikely. Pilatus is also known as Dragon Mountain. There are some medieval tales of dragons living on or within the mountain, which is pretty cool. Theodore Roosevelt visited Pilatus and came up here to the summit, as did Julia Ward Howe and Queen Victoria. Pilatus has a maximum elevation of about 6,983 feet, or 2,128 meters, so here I'm almost that high. There are a few trails that could be taken from Pilatusbahn. One leads to a little cave, so I'm going to do that first. Alright, this is the cave, which I'm going to descend into. It looks like it just leads out to the other side. Well, this is pretty neat. Now I'm gonna hike up to the second highest point of Pilatus, called Essel. It's a little ways up there. Alright, this is the peak of Essel, the second highest point on Mount Pilatus at 6,949 feet. The view over Lake Lucerne is absolutely incredible. What a beautiful big blue lake. Down there is the wonderful city of Lucerne. Oh wow, there's a mountain goat right there. I believe that's called an ibex. He's just chilling up here at 2,100 meters. That is so awesome. This little tunnel dug into a cliff face is known as the Dragon Tunnel, and it has some great vistas. Inside the visitor center, there's a taxidermied ibex, and there appears to be an interactive dragon game. Now I'm going to descend Pilatus by way of aerial cable car, not the cog railway. They call this the Dragon Ride. This aerial tramway is fairly new, and it only goes about halfway down, where visitors get off and then board a smaller cable car for the rest of the journey down. Alright, this is the halfway point stop on the slope of Mount Pilatus. There appears to be an adventure park here, complete with an aerial rope course. Those are kind of fun. There is also an alpine slide here on Pilatus. Now I love alpine slides and would love to do one here in the actual Alps, but I won't be able to do it this time. I will now be boarding this smaller aerial gondola for the trip down the rest of the mountain to the station at Creans. My partial golden round trip here at Mount Pilatus was absolutely fantastic. This is one of the most incredible mountains or even places that I've ever been to. The experience and views on top of the mountain are incredible, and that extremely steep cogwheelway, again built in 1889, is really something else. I would highly recommend a trip to the top of the mighty Pilatus. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also take a look at my other videos featuring other mountains, cogwheel and incline railways, natural wonders, historic sites, museums, and more here in Switzerland, as well as across America and Europe. Thanks for watching.